Welcome to watch Pivot's video on how to remove wheel bearings. If you have professional disassembly tools, this will become very easy. If not, don't worry. We have alternatives for your reference. Insert the demolition tool into the bearing first. Then use 2 wrenches to tighten the demolition tool and expand it so that its bottom firmly grasps the bearing. Install the impact cone after locking. Fix the wheel as a whole. Then use the impact force and repeat the operation until the bearing is removed. This process requires sufficient patience. Next, let's look at the second method. Use a screwdriver to break the bearing housing. Continue to destroy the fixings and bearing core inside. After taking it out, we move the slide bead to one side and use an iron shaft to pry it toward the side without the slide bead to make it fall off. The same operation is performed on the other side bearing. Hook the puller's gripper into the groove in the bearing housing. Rotate the top of the puller to secure the gripper. After fixing it, we will fix the support wall on the wheel hub and then start to tighten the nut using the opposing force to remove the bearing box. Keep rotating, pay attention to the direction of your hand, hold the wheel hub tightly, and rotate the nut. The video ends here. If you don't have the right tools, it is recommended that you buy the latest wheel hub. We have optimized this part so that maintenance will be very simple. Thanks for watching.